we'll guide you through how to master ChatGPT in your projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official OpenAI website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, locate the API section in the dashboard. You'll need to get your API key, which is essential for integrating ChatGPT into your projects. Click on API keys and generate a new key if you don't have one already. Copy this key securely as you'll need it for authentication. Next, open your project environment. If you're using Python, you can use the OpenAI library. If you haven't installed it yet, open your terminal and type pip install OpenAI to download it. Now, in your project script, import the library and set up the API client using the key you copied. You'll need to write a function that sends a prompt to ChatGPT and receives a response. Start by creating a function called getChatGPTResponse. In this function, use the OpenAI.ChatCompletion.create method. Pass in the required parameters like model, which should be set to GPT 3.5 Turbo or the latest version, and messages, which should include the system and user inputs. Make sure to format your messages as a list of dictionaries with role and content keys. The role can be system, user, or assistant, and content is the text of the message. Once you've set this up, the function will return a response. You can then extract the generated text from the response using response.choices, message.content. Add error handling to manage API call failures and ensure your project runs smoothly. You can use try-except blocks to handle exceptions gracefully. With this setup, you can now integrate ChatGPT responses into your application logic, enhancing user interaction or automating tasks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.